Did you know that most people in the United States struggle to save money or grow their personal wealth not because they don't earn enough money, but because of small, daily habits that quietly drain their finances every month? Welcome back to the Dollar Pilot, where we show you real, practical steps to take control of your money and achieve financial freedom. And today, we're going to break down the 7 money habits that keep most Americans broke and exactly how you can fix them to finally take control of your finances. The first habit is living without a budget. When you spend money without a clear plan, you're likely to miss opportunities to save and often end up in unnecessary debt. The fix is simple. Create a realistic budget where you list all your income, essential expenses like rent, groceries, utilities, and then allocate a fixed portion towards savings, even if it starts small, because consistency builds momentum. The second habit is impulsive spending. Small purchases like daily coffee runs, subscription services you barely use, or unplanned online shopping quietly eat away at your money. The solution is to track every expense for a week to spot leaks and wait 24 hours before making non-essential purchases, giving yourself time to decide if it's really worth it. The third habit is relying only on one source of income. Depending on a single paycheck limits your growth and makes you vulnerable if something unexpected happens. The fix is to explore side hustles that fit your skills and schedule, like freelancing online, delivering food, tutoring, or selling items you don't use, all of which can bring extra cash directly into your savings or emergency fund. The fourth habit is ignoring small expenses. Things like snacks, parking, or in-app purchases might feel insignificant, but over weeks and months they can cost you hundreds of dollars. The fix is to track these small costs and swap them for low-cost alternatives, like cooking at home, using free entertainment, or planning grocery shopping in batches to save money. The fifth habit is not tracking your money at all. Many people have no idea where their cash goes, making saving nearly impossible. The solution is simple. Use a budgeting app, spreadsheet, or notebook to log every dollar, review weekly, and adjust your spending to find easy ways to save more. The sixth habit is credit card misuse. High interest and unnecessary debt can block wealth building. To fix this, always pay your balance in full, avoid impulse credit purchases, and consider using cash for discretionary spending temporarily, while strategically using rewards or cashback programs to your advantage. The seventh habit is having no financial goals. Without a clear target, your money tends to drift away without purpose. The fix is to set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, saving $1,000 in 30 days or building a 3-month emergency fund. Then break these goals into smaller daily or weekly milestones to make them achievable and motivating. Along with correcting these habits, don't underestimate the power of automation. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to remove temptation, and create a separate emergency fund to protect your savings. Another key mindset is focusing on long-term benefits. Every smart financial step you take today compounds over time, helping you secure a financially stable future and giving you freedom and peace of mind. Regularly review recurring subscriptions, negotiate bills when possible, and watch out for lifestyle inflation as your income grows, because small habits can slowly undo progress. Staying consistent, celebrating small wins, and avoiding all or nothing thinking ensures you stay on track even if you slip once in a while. By identifying and fixing these 7 money habits, you'll take concrete steps that not only prevent you from staying broke, but actively guide you towards saving, investing, and creating multiple streams of income. Because building wealth is all about habits and smart decisions. Start today by picking one habit to fix first. Track your progress and implement these strategies consistently, because mastering these money habits lays the foundation for financial freedom, stress-free living, and a brighter, more secure future in the United States. And if you found this guide helpful, make sure to follow the Dollar Pilot for more real, practical money strategies that truly work for Americans seeking financial success.